Layton homeowners know that Utah's diverse climate can pose challenges when it comes to home maintenance. With hot summers, freezing winters, and occasional heavy winds, choosing the right windows is essential for comfort, energy efficiency, and durability. If you're considering window replacement in Layton, understanding how the local weather impacts your choices can help you make the best investment for your home. Insulating against Layton's freezing winters. Layton winters can bring freezing temperatures and snow, making proper insulation a key factor when selecting new windows. Poorly insulated windows can lead to drafts, heat loss, and skyrocketing energy bills. The best window replacement choices for cold weather protection include double or triple pane glass. Multi-pane windows provide better insulation, keeping warm air inside and cold air out. Low emissivity coatings. These coatings help reflect heat back into your home, reducing the amount of warmth lost through the glass. Argon or krypton gas-filled windows. These inert gases between panes act as insulators, helping to maintain indoor temperatures. Fiberglass or vinyl frames. These materials resist warping and provide better thermal insulation than aluminum or wood. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows ensures that your home stays warm during the winter without forcing your heating system to work overtime. Managing summer heat and UV exposure. Summers in Layton can reach high temperatures, making heat reduction just as important as insulation. The right windows can help prevent excessive heat buildup and protect your home from harmful UV rays. Consider these features for optimal summer performance. Low E glass coatings. These coatings not only help in winter but also block solar heat gain during the summer, reducing cooling costs. Tinted or reflective glass. Helps reduce glare and prevents heat from penetrating through your windows. Proper window placement. Installing windows with sun-blocking coatings on west and south-facing sides can significantly reduce cooling costs. Ventilation options. Windows that open easily, such as casement or awning windows, allow fresh air to circulate on cooler evenings, reducing AC reliance. Choosing energy-efficient windows designed for heat reduction helps keep your home comfortable while cutting down on air conditioning expenses. Withstanding strong winds and storms. Layton experiences occasional strong winds and heavy storms, which can cause damage to weak or outdated windows. If you live in an area prone to high winds, consider impact-resistant windows with the following features. Reinforced window frames. Fiberglass, composite, or vinyl frames are more durable and resist bending or cracking under high wind pressure. Laminated or tempered glass. These glass types offer extra strength and resistance against breakage. Secure locking mechanisms. Ensuring a tight seal prevents windows from rattling or leaking during storms. Professional installation. Proper installation is crucial for wind resistance, ensuring that windows are sealed and secured against strong gusts. Investing in storm-resistant windows gives you peace of mind knowing your home is better protected against unexpected weather conditions. Preventing moisture damage and condensation issues. Fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels in Layton can cause condensation buildup on windows, which may lead to mold growth, water damage, and reduced air quality. Choosing windows with moisture-resistant features can help prevent these issues. Warm edge spacers. Reduce condensation by minimizing temperature differences between the window panes. Proper seals and weather stripping. Prevent moisture infiltration that can lead to mold and mildew. High-quality frame materials. Fiberglass, vinyl, or composite windows resist swelling, warping, and rotting due to moisture exposure. By installing moisture-resistant windows, you protect your home from long-term damage and costly repairs. Maximizing energy efficiency year-round. Because Layton experiences extreme temperature variations, choosing windows that provide year-round energy efficiency is crucial. Look for windows with Energy Star certification. Ensures that windows meet high-performance standards for insulation and efficiency. Custom fit for your home. Properly fitted windows minimize gaps and reduce air leaks. Multiple glass panes. Provide insulation during both hot and cold seasons. Energy-efficient windows don't just improve comfort, they also reduce your carbon footprint and lower monthly utility bills. Final thoughts. Choosing the right windows for Layton's climate. If you're replacing windows in Layton, weather conditions should play a significant role in your decision-making process. Choosing high-performance, weather-resistant windows ensures that your home remains comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient throughout the year. For the best results, work with a trusted local window replacement expert who understands Layton's climate and can recommend the most durable and energy-efficient options for your home. Investing in the right windows today will provide lasting comfort, protection, and savings for years to come.